Well, hey there everybody, hope everybody's doing well. So in today's video I did a frittata for you. This is actually a older video I'd done, just hadn't got time around to posting it yet, so I figured I'd post it for you. It's a simple and easy one for you. Had to show off my knife there, sorry. It's a good old Christmas present, so had to use it and show it off for you. But you can put it whatever you want to in it. I just had a red, green, or red, yellow, and orange bell peppers, some jalapeños, a red onion, garlic, and then some cheese. And then I just did a fine dice on all of that, and some cherry tomatoes as well. Like I said, just did a fine dice on that. Once I had that diced up, I just cracked my eggs up, throw them in there, whip them up, throw in the cheese, get it all mixed up and well combined. And then I sprayed my cast iron skillet down and had my oven preheating to 350 degrees. And once it got good and preheated and ready, and I'd sprayed my pan down, just poured my mixture in and let it set and settle. And then it's gonna go in that 350 degree oven for around 10 minutes. And there you go, just an easy frittata for you. And let it sit for about 2 to 5 minutes so it sets up good. That way it cuts a lot easier. And I like doing frittatas better than quiches because I'm not a fan of the crust on the quiche. Like I said right there, just let it set for a few minutes and it cuts easier. And you can eat it either plain, or I like to do it with just a little drizzle of hot sauce on it. This was something that I had made. Just put a little bit on there and just chow down and enjoy. And I'll have everything listed down in the description below, so if you want to make it like I did, you can. But you can throw in whatever vegetables that you enjoy in it, and it'll be delicious. Anyways, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.